Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you quickly how you can duplicate a page or how you can duplicate your whole document. And the first way what you can do, if you want to copy or duplicate only one page, what you can do, you can basically select it, or you can press Ctrl A and it's going to select everything you have in your document. So if you have multiple pages, it's going to select all of them. I have currently only one. Then what you can do, you can right click, you can click on copy, or you can use this shortcut Ctrl C. If you are on Mac, it's going to be Command C. So you can copy it. Now you can place somewhere your cursor and press Ctrl Enter. So this is going to create a new page, and you can press Ctrl V or right click and paste. So this is how you can duplicate the single page in your document. But now the second way, what you can do, if you want to duplicate your whole document as a new file, you can click on File in top left corner and you can click on Make a Copy. Here you can name it however you want. Then you're gonna have some options, so you can check if you want maybe share this with the same people as you shared your previous file. Then click on Make Copy, and this is going to create the same document as your copy, as you can see. So it's same. You can find it if you go back to your main docs menu, and you can see here copy of the elephant test. So this is all for this video. Two ways how you can duplicate something in Google Docs. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.